Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix this Discord error code 50012 failed to connect account. Now, first thing you want to do is make sure that you're not using VPN while doing this. Now, if you're not using any VPN, if you're an Apple if you're an Apple device, make sure to disable any private relay. Now, it should work if you're on Apple devices. But if you're on Android, simply try to connect on your PC on the Discord app. If that also didn't work, try it on the browser. The browser thing usually fix this problem. Look, he ended up connecting to my on his account on his laptop instead of mobile. So you should try on your laptop or your PC. If it didn't work on the app on the laptop or PC, try on the browser on the laptop and PC. And that's basically it.